Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka right here on Icrt.Hello,
你好，大家好，我係 Edison.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係林集少. That's Joseph Lin in Hakka. And this month we're talking about everyday living around the house. 在这个家里面的生活起居会碰到的一些状况，比如说又要吃饭了。在家里常做的事就是吃饭，
睡觉。
对，吃饭之前呢，当然要准备这些餐具啦，对不对？So let's teach people about utensils. Whenever you're going to have a meal, you're going to prepare utensils, you're going to wash, your dishes, whatever. Let's talk about this right now. 比如说再拿一副碗跟筷子来，可能有朋友来嘛，对不对？家里 you've invited a lot of friends over. You're still missing a set of bowl and chopsticks. 怎么说？
哥拿架。
哥拿架。
一副碗筷來。
一副碗筷來。One is actually the bowl and koi is actually the chopstick. So give me another set of bowl and chopsticks. All right?
那海陆腔的筷子有一点不太一样。
真的哦 OK。
碗出來。
哟，真的很不一样呢。
碗就是海陆腔的碗是碗嘛。筷子我们家都会讲说出。
出 OK. For a different dialect, chopstick is 出。Otherwise, it's koi.
对
Okay, that's 海陆 versus 四线. Sometimes you have a spoon and it looks dirty, you want a new one. 有的时候呢，这个汤匙拿到了，然后就脏了，对不对？
一点点。
就说能不能换一下？
对。
一定是我没洗好的样子。So let's teach you how to say that. Okay, 这汤匙脏了，请换一下。
亚铜匙學做誒。
亞銅匙學做誒。Okay, 銅匙 that's a spoon 湯匙。那學做誒
就是
髒了。And you want a new one, okay? 請換一下。
嗆你溫哥。
嗆你溫哥 okay? 很嗆聲哦。嗆你溫哥 that means please give me another one.
其實就是請你換一下。
其實嗆是請哦。
對。
Okay, 嗆 it actually means please. Please give me another one. All right. And maybe you're going to a friend's house. 然後他們的這個餐具呢都很漂亮，對不對？
對。
And then you just want to ask where they got it, okay? Some people have china and utensils that are just so pretty. You want to ask them where you got those plates, all right? 這盤子好漂亮，在哪裡買的？
亞盤的東江。
亞盤的東江。
都奈位買嘅。
都奈位買嘅 okay? 盤的
就是盤子。
That's plate, all right? 東江 Jiang is pretty.
漂亮
okay? Where did you buy it? 東奈位買嘅 Well, there you have it. Another episode of Practical Hakka right here on Icrt.
是母太家
俺子 say
張磊了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.